A festival in the northeast celebrates the winter arrival of very special guests, the Amur Falcons. Underlying the traditional songs and dance is a strong message of conservation and admiration for these migratory falcons that fly halfway across the globe every year. But the Amur Falcon Festival in Nagaland's Pangti village was born in response to a crisis. It was the winter of 2012. Like other years, thousands of Amur falcons darkened the autumn skies above Pangti. These small falcons make a pit stop here to feast and rest during their annual migration from their breeding sites in Siberia to their wintering grounds in Africa. But this time, many could not make it past Pangti. Thousands were trapped by locals and sold in markets for meat.
Immediate thing was we saw two ladies selling 60 odd Amur falcons, and within an hour's time she finished selling all of them.
Saw many hunters on the roadside carrying these bunches of birds on either end, and easily we could see that there were over anything between 100 to 200 birds on each bundle.
An estimated 12,000 to 14,000 birds were killed each day. The crisis had to be addressed. Conservationists, along with local leaders, began a campaign to save the falcons. With concerted efforts, hunting of Amur falcons was banned by the district administration, and the drive to sensitize and train locals took off.
So that's how you can differentiate between the male and female.
Bird migration, it depends on insects, the food items, other than the cold. So cold is just a triggers why the birds migrate. If you see the count, the number of feathers on the bird, you can actually find out how old they are.
A lot of the people whom we met as we did the survey didn't know the impact that their actions were having on the wildlife or on their environment or on their agricultural practices.
For these guys, these kids, if we teach them nicely from the beginning, from now, so they can help us in the conservation. Their children are coming, so now their parents are also convinced already. So that their children are telling them, hey, don't cook, don't shoot. Even if they see, they used to tell their parents. Like that, will help Amur Falcon.
I have learned and I have understood that this hunting is not good, because so many birds, so many animals are going to be extinct in our place. Like my children, they may not know what is the name of that bird, what is the name of that animals. After, if you go on continuing like this, they will not know even the birds' name. They will not see even the small birds in our place.
The campaign to turn hunters into protectors of the Amur falcons was a spectacular success. Not a single falcon was trapped in Pangti the following year. Today, millions of passing Amur falcons enthrall locals and tourists, securing Nagaland's status as the falcon capital of the world.